Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into FlexClip.com. FlexClip is an online video editing platform that comes with a ton of different tools that you can use to get your video editing projects on the way. You basically can edit anything with this tool, and I'm going to show you how to easily log in. So you just want to simply open up any browser you have and simply type in FlexClip.com, and once you're at the website you will notice that it is written, I believe this is Chinese or something like that, right? And you have no login button there, but it's very easy to manage and to translate it into your language. One, you can either right click on your browser and you will find the translate to English, and this will translate it more into English for you, or you can just simply click this drop down here and you will find English. So once you click on English, then you know that your preferred language would be in English. Now, another trick to find the login button so that you can log into the website, guys, is simply click on this button right here, and this button here will basically transform the entire website into English, and you will now be able to see more of what you can do with the website. You can create a video, you can also log in or sign up. Right now, if you have an account or you want to sign up, all you have to do is just simply click on this button here and it will take you to this page where you can easily sign up. There are two options that you can do, or let's say three options. You can continue with Google if you have a Gmail account, or you can continue with Facebook, and these are two easy options how to sign in or to sign up, right? Or if you have other email address, you can simply fill it here and then click continue with email. Now, I already have a Gmail account, and what I will do is just simply click continue here, and then I will select my Gmail that I want to use, and this will take me right into the dashboard where I have all the goodies here. And that's basically how you can log in into the FlexClip website. Now, as you see that there are quite a lot of things here within this website, quite a lot of templates. So if you scroll down, you will find quite a lot of different templates, and if you hover over any of them, you notice you have a preview that will bring up the preview of the video, and you can also watch it and you can choose different dimension and see how the video will look there, right? You can also go ahead and you can customize any one of these templates. As you see, your preview never customized, and once you do the customize, this will take you directly into a video editor, which I will show you in an upcoming video how to use the video editor. Here you have basically quite a lot of different categories that you can choose from, and you will be able to see different style of templates. So if I choose, for example, YouTube, you will see that I have quite a bunch of different YouTube style templates as well. If I go under creative and I choose, for example, trailer, you will realize the same thing as well. And they're not only videos, guys, you can also find pictures as well that you can modify. And that's basically the home. Now, if you go to projects, my projects, this is where you'll have your folders, and if you have any projects that you have, you will also find them here as well. Under templates as well, you have a folder, and if you create any templates, you can find that here as well. Under favorites is the same. If you have any favorites, you'll be able to find those different favorites here under these various tabs with your favorite. And of course, you have the cloud storage where you have up to 100 gig that you can store whatever you want here, and as well you can upload unique fonts as well. Now, on the lower left hand side, you have your account, so you can basically see what plan you have. I currently have the business plan, and if you click on it, you will see more about the plan that you have. You will see which profile is selected, and if you have a team created, if you click on teams, then this will basically switch the profile, and within the teams you can invite people to see and to work on projects, and within the teams you can invite people and basically have them work on projects as well. Let me go back to my other profile here. Now, there are a few additional things that you can do. You can basically change your language, you can sign out, you can view tutorials, and you can basically go to my account where you can basically change your password. You can basically find social information here. You can go billing, you can do whitelist. So if you have like a YouTube channel, you can whitelist that YouTube channel here as well. And yeah guys, in a nutshell, that's all there is to it. Within the dashboard, there's quite a lot that you can do. As you can see from the navigation bar, you can create quite a lot. You also have some AI tools, and you also have additional tools that you can use. And of course, if you'd like to learn more, you can basically go through these different documentations here, or let's say tutorial. And if you'd like to learn more, you can basically click on any one of these pages, and this will take you into a whole lot of content that you can learn more about these different things. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.